Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner, where we are about to embark on a fascinating exploration that could profoundly impact your academic journey. Today I am sharing my personal analysis and research as an academic administrator, shedding light on the pivotal connection between a student's mindset and their academic achievements. Let's delve into the mindset of a C student. My research reveals that C students tend to miss classes and are accepting of incomplete assignments. They exhibit minimal communication with professors and faculty, often relying solely on the Canvas calendar to manage their assignment. Now let's shift our focus to B students. Through my analysis, I have observed that while they seldom miss class and diligently complete assignments, they often make spontaneous decisions regarding their workload rather than engaging in proactive planning despite maintaining regular communication with professors. Lastly, let's examine A students. Based on my research, A students consistently attend classes, submit all assignments, actively engage with professors and peers, and meticulously plan their academic responsibilities, including a detailed review of lost points to enhance future performance. If you are a teacher or academic coach, please comment on my observation through the comment section in this regard. If you are a student, share where do you see yourself within this spectrum. Are there opportunities for you to align your mindset and elevate your academic performance? It's important to acknowledge that these observations are generalized and may not encompass everyone. However, by acknowledging these distinctions and embracing positive changes, you have the potential to enhance your academic journey. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.